Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let us discuss exercise 8.4 first problem. So we have to prove that the sum of squares of sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of squares of its diagonals. So we have to prove this one in the first problem. So let us prove it. So given given ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. That implies AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and and, A, and AC is equal to BD, and OA is equal to OC. By taking O as a point, OA is equal to OC, and OB is equal to OD. Now required to prove AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square, or else in a normal terms, 1 minute, uh, AC square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. So now proof. Coming to proof. Now take triangle AOD. Triangle AOD. In triangle AOD, everything is these all are a right angle triangles. Uh, so AOD, OA. So AD square is equal to OA square plus OD square. So in the place of OA, can we write AC? Yeah, AD square is equal to half of AC. It is OA is half of AC. According to the given figure, OA is half of AC. Or for simple understanding, for slow learners, I am telling. So OA, so OA, it lies in AC line now. So that's why. So you think in that way. Now so it is half of it. AC by 2 square plus OD. So where does OD lies? In BD. So half of BD for the simple understanding. BD by 2 whole square. So now it will become, so AD square is equal to AC square. So sometime leave it this one, AC square plus BD square by 4, that is equal to AD square. Now AC square plus BD square by 4 is equal to AD square. So transmitting this 4 to this side, AC square plus BD square is equal to 4 AD square. 4 AD square means, how can we write? AC square plus BD square is equal to AD square plus AD square plus AD square plus AD square. So we know that all sides in a rhombus are equal. Therefore we can write AC square plus BD square is equal to, so in the place of this AD square I am going to write AB square plus BC square plus AC square, sorry CD square plus AD square or DA square It is more DA square is better to write. So in the way here also you can write DA. So let us go into next problem. ABC is a right angle triangle, right angled at B. Let D and E be any points on AB and BC respectively. Prove that AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. So given in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees and let D be any point on AB and BB any B and EB any point on BC. So required to prove RTP AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. Now proof in triangle, take in triangle ABC, triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. So let it be equation number 1. So now take triangle DBE, triangle DBE. So from here only we can say that DE square is equal to DB square plus B square. So now we got AC square plus DE square here. Yes, no? Now you add equation number 1 and 2. You add 1 and 2. So AB square plus BC square and BB square plus BE square. DB square plus BE square is equal to AC square plus BDE square. So now take this one write this one combination and this one combination. So this one so writing AB square, write AB square plus BE square as a combination and BC square plus DB square as a combination is equal to AC square plus DE square. So by using Pythagoras theorem, AB according to the given picture, we can say AB square plus BE square is equal to AE square. So here hypotenuse is AE square. So we can write this one. Or else AE square is equal to BE square, AB square plus BC square. Now CD square or DA square, DC square is equal to 1 minute. Is equal to BC square plus DB square. So in the place of this one I can substitute this one, in the place of this one I can substitute this one. So therefore AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. Hence proved. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, do, share and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching my video.